Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is happy word. Here I am drawing happy Holi card. This is H letter. This is O letter. L letter. This is I letter. Draw a water drop shapes like this. Draw this shape. Same repeat here. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens or anything? Please comment on below. Same repeat here. Draw two lines like this. This is triangle shape. Same repeat here. Follow my Instagram link given in the description box. Draw a design like this. Same repeat here. Card outline was completed. This is yellow color brush pen. Now I am using orange color brush pen. Fill like this. This is light blue color brush pen. This is yellow color. This is pista green color brush pen. Now I am using orange color brush pen. This is pista green color brush pen. This is pink color brush pen. This is light blue color brush pen. This is pink color brush pen. This is violet color brush pen. This is pink color brush pen. Light blue color brush pen. This is light blue color oil pastel. This is blue color oil pastel. This is violet color oil pastel. This is pink color oil pastel. This is red color oil pastel. This is orange color oil pastel. This is yellow color oil pastel. Now I am using green color oil pastel. I am using tissue paper for rubbing this. Do like this. I am using tissue paper. If you want, you can use cotton or anything. Now I am using black color pencil. I am shading with black color pencil. Shade like this. Shade like this. I am using black color sketch pen, color pencil, sorry. If you want, you can use any other color. Same